The TP-Link Archer BE550 is one of the first Wi-Fi 7 routers to hit the market, bringing blazing speeds, wider coverage, and advanced features in homes. If you're tired of network congestion and ready for future-proofing your internet setup, the Archer BE550 might just be what you're looking for. But is it the best Wi-Fi 7 router for everyday users? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new, welcome. I am Hannah. I'm a reviewer at Broadband Now, where we bring you in-depth reviews and hands-on tests of the latest internet equipment. So if you are looking for a new router, keep on watching this video. I promise it's worth it. We're going to talk about specs, setup, performance, and the overall value to help you decide if the Archer BE550 router is right for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more in-depth reviews and guides on all things broadband. The Archer BE550's design stands out with its sleek vertical form factor. It's compact enough to fit anywhere in your home, whether on a desk, bookshelf, or tucked away in a corner somewhere. It features glowing indicators on the front, which look cool but might be a bit bright for some. Fortunately, you can dim or turn them off via the TP-Link Tether app. What I like most about the Archer BE550 is that there are no antennas. It's a small detail, but for those of us who care about how our tech looks like in our home, it's a huge plus. When it comes to specs, the Archer BE550 shines. It's a tri-band Wi-Fi 7 router delivering speeds up to 9.2 gigabits across 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz, and 6 gigahertz bands. Its 5 Ethernet ports all support 2.5 gigabits, which is absolutely a game changer for gamers and streamers alike. Plus, there's a USB 3 port for connecting storage or other devices. It's packed with advanced features like WPA3 encryption, distributed denial of service protection, and compatibility with TP-Link's Easy Mesh system for seamless expansion. At just $249.99, it's positioned as an entry-level Wi-Fi 7 router, which is ideal for anyone upgrading from Wi-Fi 5 or 6. Setting up the Archer BE550 was a breeze. Using the TP-Link Tether app, I had it up and running in under 10 minutes. The app guides you step by step from connecting to your modem to customizing your network. Even troubleshooting is easy with built-in diagnostic tools. From my desktop to my Apple Watch, all of my devices were connected as soon as I set up my network. The Tether app focuses on simplicity and ease, with a home screen that highlights my connected router, network status, and online devices. Its intuitive navigation makes handling outages or security alerts effortless, while features like customizable parental controls and quality of service for prioritizing devices stand out. Advanced tools like network optimization and system updates are easily accessible, though I will say some features do require a subscription. With thoughtful design and user-friendly features, Tether makes managing my network absolutely stress-free. When testing a router, speed is where it counts, and the Archer BE550 doesn't disappoint. In my 3-level condo, I tested everything, from sitting next to the router to streaming in the farthest corner of my 3rd floor bedroom. With Wi-Fi 7 and MLO technology, it handled both calm and chaotic conditions with ease. Sitting nearby, I clocked speeds of 736 megabits on Wi-Fi 6 and 904 megabits on Wi-Fi 7. Even in the toughest spot, my 3rd floor bedroom, speeds remain solid at 526 megabits on Wi-Fi 6 and an impressive 763 megabits on Wi-Fi 7. Then came the stress test. 4K streams on 2 TVs, a game download, and multiple devices streaming and browsing simultaneously. But even under heavy load, the Archer BE550 delivered. Speeds near the router hit 585 megabits on Wi-Fi 6 and 914 megabits on Wi-Fi 7. And even in the toughest spots, they stayed strong with only moderate drops. So whether you're streaming, gaming, or running a full house of devices, this router keeps things fast and reliable without breaking a sweat. So, how does it compare to other routers? Well, against higher-end models like the Asus RT BE96U, the Archer BE550 holds its own, though it will lack multi-gigabit Ethernet ports. The Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro offers mesh capabilities but doesn't match the Archer BE550's raw speed or USB port features. Hey guys, it's Hannah. I'm back with another Wi-Fi review. This time we are going to be talking about TP-Link's Archer BE550. It is a tri-band Wi-Fi 7 router. I took it out of the box so you guys could see it in real time. Overall, super budget conscious choice for folks who are in the market for a router but not necessarily wanting to break their bank. It comes in at about $249 off of Amazon, so not bad at all. Has great speed, great performance, especially when you're in range of the router itself. That's because it has multi-link operation technology. But if you do live in a larger home, this guy is still a contender because it is compatible with easy mesh systems. So that's really awesome and something to note if you're in the market. Setup, super easy. Again, TP-Link has an app called Tether. You download it right to your mobile phone and you walk through a step-by-step process that works in tandem with the print guide. So it's really easy to use. I did run into a couple of connectivity issues when I was trying to get this router set up to my home network, but Tether does have troubleshooting baked into their application. So I was easily able to mitigate that and get it up and running in no time. It took about 10 minutes. It does have a larger footprint. It's not the largest router that I've lived with, but it's definitely not the smallest. It is narrow, which is nice. So you can kind of slide it in and put it in whatever space you want. It also does have bright indicator lights that jut up all the way in a straight line when it's powered on. This can kind of be a distraction, especially if you're someone like me who puts their modem and their routers right on their entertainment center where my TV is. But you have settings on the router that will take care of that, so that's not a big deal at all. There is a required subscription for some of the more robust security features that TP-Link offers. However, the standard security options and the standard security practices that you get without the subscription are totally fine. I think they're more than adequate and would suffice. So it's not a huge con, but definitely something to take note of. And there are a lot of connectivity ports on the back of this. So it's definitely not something that would make or break this router. It's just something to note. Overall, the Archer BE550 was a very strong performer. It's definitely a great option for anyone who streams or games or handles multiple devices simultaneously, or if you live in a home with multiple people who need to use technology at the same time. So thanks for listening.
Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you found this review helpful, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. You can read our full review on broadbandnow.com. The link is in the description directly below this, so be sure to check it out and give it a read. You can also turn on your notifications so you don't miss out. All right, I'll see you guys next time.